Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Maya tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create a crowd animation with the help of Maya Mesh Network. So let's get started. First open your character. I put it on my desktop. This name's Walker. If you want this character, just comment me on my video. Select this plane, press delete. Select this camera, press delete. Now click play and see the effect. This is a 25 frame walk cycle animation. So I pause it, go to frame 1. Select your geometry. See, this is very important. First you should select your geometry, not the controller. Go to cache, Alembic cache, export selection to Alembic cache. Open export selection to Alembic cache option. Edit, reset the setting. Go down and go to advanced option. Turn on UV right and right UV set. Click export selection and select your location and rename it as Walkman. Now it is exported. Take another new scene. Turn on grid. Take a polygon plane, just like this plane. Now change modeling menu to effects menu. Go to mesh. Open mesh network option. Geometry type, select mesh. Click apply. Open attribute editor, mesh 1 distribute. Distribution type, select grid. Increase the grid distance 12 and also 12. Now select mesh 1. Go to transform node. Right click and add a transform node. On controller null, right click, click create. This will create a transform locator. Select the transform locator. Move and see the effect. The plane are moving along with the transform locator. Now open your Alembic cache file. Go to cache, Alembic cache. Import Alembic file. Go to your folder and locate it. Now see, decrease the frame to 25. Go to frame 1. Click play and see. Now select your geometry. Go to mesh. Click create mesh network. Open create mesh network option. This time geometry type, select instancer. Click apply. Mesh to distribute. Distribution type, select mesh. Input mesh. Middle click on your mesh 1 repro mesh and connect it to the input mesh. See, number of point type here 6. Now select the mesh to add a random node. Right click, add random node. Position X increase. Position Z increase. Now click play and see. This is not moving because select your geometry, go to Workman Alembic node, change cycle type, hold to loop, click play and see. Now select the transform locator. Move and see. See the effect. You can also change the Alembic node cycle type to loop to reverse. See, it is going back when you change it to reverse. This is how you can create a basic crowd animation in Autodesk Maya 2020. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.